Hair looks great right now.
Ross Smith. We got to check out his channel. If you guys haven't seen it, check it out.
I'm the new neighbor. It's my new whip. Get all those thick chicks. Huge shout out to Will Motivation, guys. Be sure to check out his YouTube channel at Will Motivation, dude.
Will Motivation on YouTube and Instagram. Definitely check him out.
We about to run Will Motivation.
Will Motivation. Will Motivation.
It's called Will from Will Motivation. If you don't know who he is, just go ahead and type in Will Motivation on YouTube and you'll find him.
Will Motivation, satin white Hurricane to drive.
Will Motivation.
Will Motivation.
Will Motivation. Will Motivation.
Go check out Will Motivation's channel on YouTube.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation. We got my man Sean. And we're gonna take our first little joyride in the Aventador since bringing it home. So we're gonna give you some impressions, some driving impressions in the Aventador. We got it right here by the Green Goblin. But yeah, you ready?
Let's go. Let's do it.
All right, cold start, here we go. Got the garage remote. Ready?
Let's do it.
Start getting on this
Dang.
side. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. So engine's still cold, so I ain't gonna come out of here gunning it.
Yeah. You got a lift on this too?
Yes. Yeah. Actually, I do. I think they put some cheap gas in here, man. I think so. It's islanded a little, like it's got some cheap gas.
Now you had like how many people on the line? Like
1,300 or 400.
that's pretty good.
Were you in there? Yeah, you was in there. I saw you.
Yeah, I was in there.
I took a look at it afterwards. Automatic mode now. Of course, we got to change that. Sport and put it in manual. There we go.
Snap, crackle, pops.
All right, here we go.
Of it. I missed the Huracan, but I see why you upgraded. Definitely. But,
yeah, this car is not all about speed. It's more about top speed than like acceleration. But it does accelerate though.
It's, you know, this is about a $400,000 car.
Brand new?
Yeah.
Brand new? Yeah, it's up there. But used, everybody's probably wondering how much did I pay for the car.
Yeah.
Paid $248.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
And then I had to...
so it really had you thinking the one time you went there, you was like, man, I might just go ahead and just swap out the Huracan.
Yes, sir. Little partial throttle. Action the Dragon.
Like fire breathing dragon.
Action the Dragon. We got Knowledge the Lambo and we got Action the Dragon. Like the not bad. Once it's rolling, it's rolling. Alright, so we're pulling up on this crib. Potential investment property. New build, you know. Should be interesting. Alright. So how you like the Aventador so far?
Love it, man. Real smooth. It's just glides.
Yeah, we're about to go check out this real estate. My man Sean's gonna be stepping up into a supercar real soon. They over here working.
Yeah.
Hopefully they don't raise the price on you.
Right.
All right, so we're about to check out the crib. We made it safe in the Aventador. It's a construction zone, so I don't know how we're gonna get our feet in there without dirtying up this spot, but we'll figure it out. All right, let's check it out. So, sometimes you can buy houses like this before they're finished, and then when they're finished, you can flip them and make significant profits. So this is a potential flip right here. We're checking out. I like the blue siding and everything. It's dope.
Looking good.
So you got the vinyl. Yeah. It's gonna wear better. Man, it's trimmed out nice, man. It's trimmed out nice.
Hey, how you doing? All right.
Let's check out the garage.
Right.
Nice garage. The thing I like about this garage, you got the extra space right there. So that's a nice little feature. You can have your little workshop for storage. And then bring your cars in here. So it's almost like a 3-car garage, except you're using that for storage space or workspace. Okay, nice. Went with the white. I like the crown molding. Got the granite. What do they call that? Peppers? Salt and pepper or something like that. Got the granite countertops with the white. Crispy. But that's dope. You got the, you can wash dishes in the sink right here. Watch TV. Microwave cutout. This the new fad for rich people. Looking good, man. Yeah, this is tight. Lower level. I like them giant baseboards. Got the nice wide entrance into the lower level. Down here you can put your pool table. Look at all the rough ends for the can lights and for the speakers. It's gonna be dope. Tight, man. This is what it's called. This design is called a 5-level split, right? So that was level 1 and level 2 down there below. It's a level 3 right here with the master. I used to have a house like this. It's tight. 5-level split. This is the master bedroom right here with the vaulted ceiling. It's tight, man. Let's check it out. Okay, they got the corner soaking tub. Got a little linen closet right there. You got your his and her sink. Got the corner tub. Put some nice little flowers or whatever you want over there. Big old giant shower. This is tight, man. Somebody's gonna love this crib. And then you got the private water closet. What they call that, where you put the toilet. Dope. Make some money with this. Oh, he's even got vaulted ceilings in the closet. Look, they got vaulted ceilings in the closet. So this is the 3rd level. Let's go up to the 4th level here. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the 5th level because the 1st level is the basement that we didn't go down to. All right, so you got 3 bedrooms up here. Nice size bedroom right here. Look at this. With its own bathroom. Giant walk-in closet. Look at this. Giant walk-in closet. This bedroom has its own bathroom. This is nice. Man, this is beautiful. Dope. Another bathroom right here, shared bathroom right there. Dope. That's dope. Oh, we got an Aventador outside. Look at that. Dang. 1 million subscribers. Man, got another. Here's a 3rd bedroom up here. It's crazy, man. They got all kind of space. Laundry room upstairs. That's tight.
6 level split.
Oh yeah, this is another little split right here. You can go down 2 stairs. It's crazy. So you can put like a little playroom, hobby room up here. This is tight, man. This crib like this, you could sell for about how much out here?
About 500.
You can sell for about 500. As long as you get it, you know, get it about 450, something like that, and then make 50 grand real quick.
There it is.
There it is. All right, so we're gonna go back outside, but we just want to show you guys how you can buy investment properties, building them from the ground up, and then selling them real quick for a quick profit.
My hair
There he
looks
is.
great right now.
Ross Smith. We got to check out his channel. If you guys haven't seen it, check it out.
I'm the new neighbor. It's my new whip.
This
Check
is
it
new
out.
whip. Check out his new whip right
That's how
there.
I get all those thick chicks. You're great. They like that.
Dope, man. So you guys getting ready to shoot a video?
Yeah, we're actually a little late. I want to say what's up.
So apparently, whoever buys this house is gonna have a famous YouTuber neighbor. Well, actually, he's getting ready to move, but we don't want to tell him where we're at. But yeah, apparently it's a famous YouTuber, so we're gonna go check him out. Ryan Smith?
Ross Smith.
Ross Smith, my bad. Check out Ross Smith, so we're gonna go check him out right quick. All right, so we might have to sell him the Green Goblin after he does his flip. So what you think? What you think about the color?
I like the color, you know.
What would you call that color to describe it to somebody? What would you call that?
Is it more like a bullet gray?
Bullet gray, he said. I would call it champagne.
It moves like a bullet though.
It does. So there it is, man.
On that side.
And don't sleep on the Gallardo either. See, the Gallardo got that exhaust in there. Shout out to Eurowise. We're trying to figure out who wants to put an exhaust on the Aventador. Eurowise, Capristo, FI. Everybody on the internet is telling me to put an FI exhaust on it. But Stradman already has an FI exhaust. And if you ask me, the best sounding exhaust, I want everybody to drop a comment. Drop a comment and let us know what is the best sounding exhaust for an Aventador. A lot of people have already been saying FI, but I disagree. There's another exhaust out there that if you look at some videos with that particular exhaust, it sounds crazy. It echoes and it screams. I think it's the best exhaust, but I'm not gonna say which one it is because I don't want to bias the comments. So you guys let me know what exhaust you think is the best for the Aventador. We got a Eurowise, which is I think this is the best exhaust for the Gen 2 Gallardo, or is this Gen 3? This is Gen 3 Gallardo, 2012. Eurowise makes the best exhaust for this version of the Gallardo. But you guys tell me what you think. Best exhaust for the Aventador, and we'll be modding the Aventador and putting an exhaust on it and tuning it. It definitely needs a tune. I'll probably change all the spark plugs and everything. Clean it up, make sure it's running tip top. I love this thing so far, man. It's dope. All right. Thanks for tuning into this video. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you have not already. This is your boy Will Motivation. We'll have many more videos on the Aventador, so make sure to stay tuned, turn them notifications on, Peace.
Go Cowboys.
Hey, I just wanted to say thanks for watching today's video. There's a lot more to come. Hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me about when is my online course going to be ready. Well, I have good news for you. My online course is completed. I'll put a link in the description of this video where you can click on that link and get a 40% discount off the course. That'll be for the first 50 students. So if you're ready to take the online course that I've basically laid out everything that I know about how to invest in real estate, click the link below or just go to www.willmotivation.com/invest. And thank you guys for taking the time out to watch today's video. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.